Hope you're having a great Saturday evening, and thanks for logging on to your Aggieland Carpet One forecast. I'm meteorologist Crystal Plone. Now, we're currently seeing those temperatures in the upper 60s and the low 70s around the Brazos Valley, although if you look off towards the northeast, we're seeing some temperatures in the upper 70s, and earlier today, we even saw the low 80s, and that's where we're not seeing very much rainfall, so that's the reason why we are seeing temperatures that warm in that spot. But elsewhere, we are seeing the rain move in from the southwest. It is taking its time moving towards the northeast, so this rain is going to continue for the rest of the night and overnight also. It will be a little bit more isolated in nature as soon as this moves through. Just make sure you're keeping an eye on the radar throughout the evening if you do have any outside plans. Now, not only are we seeing rain, but it is causing some fog and some mist in some spots. We're seeing visibilities lower just a bit around the majority of the area, so if you are headed out, just make sure you're driving a little bit more carefully. But around the state of Texas, we have a lot of cloud cover and a lot of showers moving in from the southwest. The reason why we have a couple of disturbances coming in off of the Pacific Ocean and through Mexico, which is moving into the southern portion of the state of Texas. This is going to continue throughout the rest of the evening and into your Sunday and really through Monday as well. So rain is going to be in the forecast for quite a while. But here's what it looks like. For the rest of the evening, we'll continue to have an isolated shower chance, just about a 40% chance. And then as we head towards Sunday morning, you'll start to see those isolated showers along with a couple of thunderstorms embedded in those showers. So you may hear some lightning, maybe see some thunder, but we're not expecting anything to be severe. That rain chance is going to continue for the rest of your Sunday and into the evening hours as well. We'll see the chances decrease as we head closer to 9 or 10 o'clock in the evening tomorrow. And then as you look off towards the west, Monday at midnight, notice a big line of green and some yellow. That's a line of showers and thunderstorms that's expected to move through the area really early Monday morning. It could bring about some heavy rainfall, maybe even some lightning, and some of those storms could be a little bit on the strong side, especially as it continues to move off towards the east into our eastern counties. So definitely keep an eye on the forecast for tomorrow so we can pinpoint where that line of storms will actually go. But in terms of rainfall totals, we're not expecting a whole lot overnight tonight and into the early morning hours, but then moving through your day on Sunday, this is what things look like. We'll see those rainfall totals anywhere from about half an inch of rain, maybe to closer to 2 inches of rain, especially in our southern counties. That's where we're expecting to see the most rainfall. For tonight, 65 degrees with scattered showers continuing through the rest of the evening. And then for tomorrow, those rain chances will start at 70% and should decrease by the time we get to the evening hours. And then overnight Sunday into Monday, we'll keep an 80% chance because of that line of showers and thunderstorms moving through. And then for the rest of the week, temperatures will be in the upper 70s, pretty close to 80 degrees, with overnight temperatures in the low to mid 60s. So it will be a little bit of a roller coaster end to the weekend, and then things will be a little bit on the warm and humid side for the week. So definitely keep an eye on the radar throughout the rest of the weekend and into the beginning of the week. And for now, hopefully you have a good rest of your Saturday.